Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can add a freeze frame on your video project on CapCut. Now, I'm not really sure on how you can do it in CapCut, but we're going to find out together using my instincts as a seasoned veteran in editing. It's something I've been doing for a while, but not in CapCut. I've been doing it somewhere in what do you call it? Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically, to show you that there is a freeze frame, I'm going to be using a real video for this one, which is this one. So what I mean is that it literally moves so that you also see when it will stop. So what you just need to do is just to find the part where you want to add the freeze frame at. Excuse me. Freeze. Yeah, this one over here. Click on freeze, and as you can see, it will freeze that frame. It literally stops. Just like that, and then it will continue playing after the freeze frame. You can even increase prolong the freeze frame or shorten it, no matter what you want it to be. But it's that simple. That is how you can add a freeze frame on CapCut PC. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Try to tinker a bit, discover things yourself. It helps a lot.